Hey guys, welcome back to my channel MiTutorials. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add custom animating GIF to your KPI dashboard. For example, I have the table over here wherein I'm trying to show some animated GIFs over here based depending on the number. So this is the lowest number that I have, wherein I have selected a custom animated GIF, which is basically an arrow pointing toward downwards, and it's just having some sort of a motion in that. So this is what I'm going to teach you today. So let's get started with this tutorial. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the view tab, and under theme section over here, whatever theme that you have applied to your dashboard, you can go here and select save current theme. And I'm going to replace the theme over here that I have, which is called MiTutorials custom theme. And then I'm going to click on save over here. It's going to say ask for replace. You can replace it. Okay, now let's go back to this folder over here. Let's right click this particular theme and then open with, click on notepad. You will see something like this over here, and identify where it says table accent, then there's a comma before table accent. I'm gonna press enter over here and bring this to the next line. Make sure the comma is intact over here, and then table accent is over here. And then there is a little code in the description of this video which you can copy and paste this into the JSON file that we are editing over here in the notepad. The code looks something like this, wherein it starts with icon, and then this is the description of the custom icon that I'm using over here. So to get the custom icon, what I did was I just went to the website called tenor.com, and I looked for UpArrow over here in my case, and then scroll down here to the visual that I liked over here, and right click this image, copied image address, and then went back to my code over here and replaced this particular section of the URL with the URL or the GIF that I want. Okay, and then there's description as well, and which I have named it as UpArrow. Likewise, I have done this for DownArrow as well. I've identified a GIF for the DownArrow and I have used that. Okay, and then if you want to add more custom icons to this, you can simply copy this particular code over here until here, and then paste the values over here and keep repeating it as many custom icons you want. But for now, for this particular tutorial, I'm going to stick with just two custom icons. So that is what I have over here. Okay, and then I'm going to click on file and save. So we now have saved the file. So let's go back to Power BI and let's import the theme that we've just saved, which is MiTutorials custom theme design. So it says the theme has imported successfully. If you have made any sort of mistakes while editing the JSON in the notepad, it will throw up an error saying that you did not import, or there is some error in the file and it could not be imported. Now that there are no errors in the file, the theme has been successfully imported. So now let's go back over here. Let's add the custom icon to the total sales field under conditional formatting. Let's go to icons over here, and total sales left of data, I'll just say if it is greater than 0, number, and then when you click on this particular icon button over here, you will see that we've now added two new icons over here. These were not existing earlier, and this is exactly the GIFs that we added, because as you can see, the other default ones are not animating here at all, and this is the animating button that we've or the GIF that we have added. I'm going to click on OK over here, and you will see that they are now animating, right? You can clearly see that these are now animating over here. So now let's go back over here and to conditional formatting, and then select icons, and then choose greater than or equals to 0, number, and less than or equals to, let's say 30,000. I'm going to change this to number, and then I'm going to choose this custom icon here, which is downward arrow, and then I'm going to click OK over here, and you will see that we have now added the animating GIF over here. So as you can see, this is animating as well. And then let me just zoom in a bit so this you can see this very clearly, how these GIFs are animating, and this one is animating towards downwards, pointing that we have now had the numbers going down. So you can add any custom KPI, any custom icons that you want into conditional formatting, and completely depends on what you want to display to make it more appealing. So that's it guys in this particular video. I hope this video has helped you. You've learned something new today. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more such tutorials.